friends, and welcome back to my art channel, Angela Mutavi Art. And in today's video I want to try only metallics. Here I have a 16 by 12, or rather 12 by 16 canvas. So I am going to use Flash Iridescent Blue. Here is Flash Iridescent Violet. This here is I believe is DecoArt Silver. Okay, and I have Gold by DecoArt as well, and here I have DecoArt Bronze. So those are the colors I'm gonna pour on the canvas, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a swipe, and I will be swiping with a black oxide. This is just an experiment. I don't know if black oxide will work with all these metallics, but we shall find out. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll layer my paint on this, and I will be using this palette knife to swipe when I'm ready. So let's go ahead and start with the silver. These are all metallics and they look really cool. So that will be followed by iridescent blue. Beautiful. And then I'll put a little bit of gold in there, and I'm thinking maybe I should just break it with white, because I don't know how it's gonna look without white in there. So I am going to put some Amsterdam pearl white. It's almost like a metallic because it's pearl. So we'll put that on there as well, just for break. And then what did I not put down? I'll put this iridescent violet down, and I'll just repeat in that order until I feel like I have enough to pour. And then what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to do puddles, and then I will kind of merge them together, and then I will swipe. There we go. That one is on his last leg, but we'll make it work. So after gold, we were putting the white down. So let's repeat one more time. Yeah, this one is completely gone. That's fine. And then we'll have gold. We'll have white. We'll have purple. Oh, you know what I forgot to put here was the bronze, but that's okay. I don't think it'll make any difference. It's gonna be down on the canvas anyway. So okay, so this is what I have. Let's put a little bit white. All right, this is what I have here. I just want to pop those bubbles, and then we'll go ahead and pour. We'll pour, like I said, we'll pour puddles. So here is the wet result, and I love the way it turned out. I mean, oh, with a swipe, it's really beautiful. Abstract painting. Beautiful abstract with all the metallics, DecoArt metallics. We have DecoArt bronze. We also have DecoArt 24 karat gold. We have DecoArt blue, metallic blue, and all those really good painting paint. And this is what we got. I love when I swipe with the black oxide. It just gives it really, look at those cells. I mean, tell me these cells don't look like I used Australian Floetrol. Looks like I used Australian Floetrol, but I don't have it. So if I stretch them really good, they will look awesome. But I don't want to stretch them, because this is a swipe and the paints are pretty. The paints are pretty thick, and I don't want. I just want that to keep its shape. This is not a bloom technique, it's just a swipe technique. So there we go. Love it, love it, love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this process, and I'll show you when it dries and hanging on the wall, and see how it dries. Okay guys, thank you for being here. I'll talk with you soon. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Or when this dries, I'll show you. God bless. Bye.